All right, hit the like and subscribe button if this video helps you out. Yep. Gonna have to kick it. This is the part I hate. I'm going to get my shit kickers on. This is the hardest part of the job. I can't get these rims off because they're frozen to the wheel hubs. So I'm going to try this. That's how I got the other one off. What's up? These are getting sold on Marketplace. That other one I spent half an hour on. So hopefully the front's a little bit better. Need brakes. Shit. Alright, hit the like and subscribe button if this video helped you out. What do you think, Finn? I'm old enough to drive.